Hey, if you want to view the network speed of your internet on the Galaxy M34 5G, first of all, you have to go into the Play Store, and from here you have to type NetSpeed, and you have to get this application, the NetSpeed Indicator. So now you'll have to install this application. So just wait for a few seconds. Now wait for this installing process, and after this we will be able to add it into the navigation bar, and now we can open it, accept all these permissions, and as you can see here we have to click to enable this indicator. And as you can see right now on the left upper corner, you can actually find the speed of your network. You can actually adjust some options, so we can change the total speed, download speed, or for example the upload speed. There's also some kind of the notifications that you can actually mute or unmute. You can also change the speed units, so bytes per second or bits per second. From here you can also change the data usage units. You can also change the notification style. You can set the daily data usage, daily Wi-Fi usage, and add the settings button. So now let's say that I'm gonna open YouTube and let's see if it works. As you can see right now, it is actually showing us the network speed. So yeah, that's basically it. Right now, please subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.